Products of micro, small, and medium enterprises are on sale at the Livelihood Fair at the Department of Labor and Employment in Intramuros, Manila. The fair, a highlight of Dole's 82nd founding anniversary celebration, will last for 4 days. The details from Ria Fernandez.
Some small business or micro, small, and medium enterprises or MSMEs have been featured in the 4-day livelihood fair of Department of Labor and Employment or DOLE as part of the agency's 82nd anniversary. Products are sold at reasonable prices, which make them perfect to be given as gifts this Christmas. Example are the fashion accessories of Ethel Duhali. Ethel was a former OFW who decided to return to the Philippines to focus on raising her 3 kids. Selling jewelries have been her source of income for 14 years. Through this, she was able to send her children to college. Ethel narrates Dole has been with her since she started her small business until she was able to make it grow.
Hanggang ngayon tumutulong pa rin ang Dole sa, hindi lang sa, tapos na yung sa financial. Tumutulong pa rin sila. Kunyari may mga ganito, libre kami sa pwesto, so ang kita lahat na pupunta sa amin. May mga workshops. Maraming mga assistance na binibigay sa amin. After nabibigyan kanila sa financial, tuloy pa rin ang tulong nila. Pati mga training, ganyan. Long term.
In our exclusive interview with Undersecretary Nicon Famironag, DOLE spokesperson, he has echoed the message of Secretary Rosalina Baldos to MSME owners to aim to develop and expand their businesses.
Micro, small, and medium enterprises, yan talaga ang prioridad natin. Katulad nga ng nabanggit ko kanina sa mensahe, 96% ng lahat ng mga negosyo sa Pilipinas ay MSMEs. Kung hindi natin tutulungan yan, yung iba dyan ay mawawala na lang, yung iba ay titigil, yung iba ay malulugi. So kailangan tulungan yan. At nitong nakalipas na taon, mahigit na 22,000 MSMEs sa buong Pilipinas ang nakatanggap ng tulong technical mula sa Department of Labor and Employment.
For the People's Television, Ria Fernandez.